Move-in day is right around the corner, and we're really excited to welcome you home to UNH Housing. There are a few items you'll need to bring and others that you should leave at home. Each room provides residents with a twin bed, a desk and chair, dresser, closet space, window blinds, and a bed guardrail. To make your space feel more like home, you might want to consider bringing a few essential items. So what should you bring? If you want to be able to make a late night snack or quick meal in your room, you might consider bringing a small refrigerator and microwave. Just make sure to leave the toaster oven and hot plates at home. If you need to cook something beyond your microwave, most residence halls have a communal kitchen you can use. Interested in making your space your own? Posters, string lights, photos, and area rugs are a great way to personalize your room. Leave the candles, incense, and halogen lights at home. Thinking about keeping cool during the warmer months of the school year? Air conditioning units are not allowed in the residence halls, so make sure to bring a fan to help keep your room cool. If you're thinking about colder weather and winter in New Hampshire, blankets and layers are the way to go. Electric blankets are prohibited in the residence halls and on-campus apartments. For a full list of what to bring and not to bring, look at the UNH Housing website. We can't wait to welcome you to Wildcat Country. See you soon!